Welcome to English Chat Flow.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Chat Flow.
Hi guys, we're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is going to be fun, simple, and very useful.
Yes, we're going to learn how to talk about your family in English through a real conversation.
Imagine you are talking to your friend, just like we are doing now.
No pressure, just easy and natural English.
So Mark, can I tell you about my family?
Of course, I'd love to hear about them.
I don't know how to start.
That's okay. Start with something simple.
My family is good.
That's a nice start, but we can make it sound a little more natural.
How?
You can say, my family is very nice, and we spend a lot of time together.
My family is very nice, and we spend a lot of time together.
Perfect. That sounds much better.
I also want to say how I feel.
Yes, that's important.
I love my family.
Very nice. You can make it a little stronger. Try this. I love my family very much.
I love my family very much.
Excellent.
Okay, now I want to talk about my dad.
Go ahead.
My dad is Rahim.
Good start. You can say, my dad, Rahim, works in an office.
My dad, Rahim, works in an office.
Very nice.
He is kind.
Good. Let's make it longer. You can say, he is very kind and he always helps me.
He is very kind and he always helps me.
Perfect.
He is also funny.
That's great. You can say, he is funny and he makes me laugh.
He is funny and he makes me laugh.
Excellent.
On weekends, he watches TV.
Nice. You can say, on weekends, he watches TV and relaxes at home.
On weekends, he watches TV and relaxes at home.
Very natural.
Sometimes we go out together.
Great. You can say, sometimes we go out together and have dinner.
Sometimes we go out together and have dinner.
Perfect.
Now I want to talk about my mom.
Sure.
My mom is Amina.
Good. Try this. My mom, Amina, works at a school.
My mom, Amina, works at a school.
Very good.
She is very kind.
Nice. Let's make it better. You can say, she is very kind and she always takes care of our family.
She is very kind and she always takes care of our family.
Excellent.
She cooks every day.
That's great. You can say, she cooks delicious food for us every day.
She cooks delicious food for us every day.
Perfect.
I like her food.
Of course. You can say, I love her cooking very much.
I love her cooking very much.
Excellent.
She likes reading.
Nice. You can say, she likes reading books in the evening.
She likes reading books in the evening.
Very good.
She also likes flowers.
That's lovely. You can say, she likes gardening and growing flowers at home.
She likes gardening and growing flowers at home.
Perfect.
Now I want to talk about my brother.
Go ahead.
I have one brother.
Good. Let's improve it. You can say, I have one younger brother, Sammy, and we spend a lot of time together.
I have one younger brother, Sammy, and we spend a lot of time together.
Excellent.
He is funny.
Nice. You can say, he is very funny and he always makes me laugh.
He is very funny, and he always makes me laugh.
Perfect.
He likes games.
Good. Let's make it longer. You can say, he likes playing games and watching cartoons in his free time.
He likes playing games and watching cartoons in his free time.
Excellent.
Sometimes we play together.
That's great. You can say, sometimes we play together and we have a lot of fun.
Sometimes we play together and we have a lot of fun.
Perfect.
That sounds really fun, Mark. I like spending time with my brother too.
Me too. Now, do you have grandparents?
Yes, I do.
Great. Try to talk about them.
My grandparents live near us.
That's good. You can make it a bit longer. Say, my grandparents live near us and we visit them often.
My grandparents live near us and we visit them often.
Perfect.
My grandpa watches TV.
Nice. You can say, my grandpa enjoys watching TV and relaxing at home.
My grandpa enjoys watching TV and relaxing at home.
Very good.
My grandma cooks.
That's great. You can say, my grandma loves cooking special meals for the family.
My grandma loves cooking special meals for the family.
Excellent.
Her food is very delicious.
Of course. You can say, her food is very delicious and everyone loves it.
Her food is very delicious and everyone loves it.
Perfect.
They come to our house on Sundays.
Nice. Let's make it more natural. You can say, they come to our house on Sundays and we have dinner together.
They come to our house on Sundays and we have dinner together.
Very good.
We talk and laugh together.
That's lovely. You can say, we talk and laugh together and we enjoy our time as a family.
We talk and laugh together and we enjoy our time as a family.
Excellent.
Now, should I talk about myself?
Yes, of course. That's very important.
I am a student.
Good start. You can say, I am a student and I study at school.
I am a student and I study at school.
Great.
I like reading.
Nice. You can say, I like reading books in my free time.
I like reading books in my free time.
Very good.
I also like music.
Perfect. You can say, I also like listening to music and relaxing.
I also like listening to music and relaxing.
Excellent.
Sometimes I go out with my friends.
That's great. You can say, sometimes I go out with my friends and we have fun together.
Sometimes I go out with my friends and we have fun together.
Perfect.
Now I want to talk about what we do as a family.
Good idea.
We watch TV together.
Nice. You can say, we often watch TV together after dinner.
We often watch TV together after dinner.
Very natural.
We laugh a lot.
Great. You can say, we laugh a lot when we watch funny shows.
We laugh a lot when we watch funny shows.
Excellent.
On weekends, we go outside.
Nice. You can say, on weekends, we go outside and spend time together.
On weekends, we go outside and spend time together.
Perfect.
Sometimes we go to the park.
That's great. You can say, sometimes we go to the park and have a picnic.
Sometimes we go to the park and have a picnic.
Excellent.
On special days, we eat together.
Very good. You can say, on special days, we have a big meal together and celebrate.
On special days, we have a big meal together and celebrate.
Perfect.
I feel happy with my family.
That's nice. You can say, I feel very happy with my family, and I enjoy spending time with them.
I feel very happy with my family, and I enjoy spending time with them.
Excellent.
I think I'm ready now.
You are. You did a great job describing your family.
Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
And thank you, everyone, for listening.
We hope this conversation helps you talk about your family in English.
Try to practice these sentences with your friends or by yourself.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow us.
And leave a comment telling us about your family. We'd love to read it.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!